Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson of how to speak Bosnian. Today we will be learning about pronominal adjectives. Stay with us. Simply said, pronominal adjectives are adjectives that help us better understand the noun about which we are talking about. Here are some pronominal adjectives that I have selected for today. So, koji, which, svaki, each, neki, some, koliki, how big, mnogi, many, and the last one, chi, whose, the which or koji. In our example here below, we are using it for masculine nouns. The first example, we're using it as a singular pronominal adjective. So, vidjela sam čovjeka koji dobro pleše. Again, vidjela sam čovjeka koji dobro pleše. I saw a man which dances well. A man which dances well, or which, is referring to our koji pronominal adjective. And the example below, vidjela sam ljude koji su dobri plesači. Again, vidjela sam ljude koji su dobri plesači. I saw people which are good dancers. In this example, koji is helping us describe people. So the only difference between koji and koji is stress, in which when we talk about singular versus when we're talking about plural for which of people or person in a masculine noun. Or koje, which for feminine nouns. Now let's look at some examples. Vidjela sam ženu koja grli svog muža. Again, vidjela sam ženu koja grli svog muža. I saw a woman which is hugging her own husband. Vidjela sam žene koje grle svoje muževe. Again, vidjela sam žene koje grle svoje muževe. I saw women which are hugging their own husbands. Koja is referring to a which for woman or for feminine nouns, and koje is referring to a which for plural feminine nouns. Svaki, each for masculine nouns. Saznali smo da svaki čovjek dobro radi svoj posao. Again, saznali smo da svaki čovjek dobro radi svoj posao. We found out that each man does its job well. Svaka, each for feminine. Example, svaka djevojka nije udata. Svaka djevojka nije udata. Each unmarried woman is unmarried. Again, svaka djevojka nije udata. So basically we're talking about unmarried women, and djevojka is referring to unmarried woman in Bosnian language. So svaka is referring to each of these unmarried women is not married. So svaki is for masculine nouns, svaka is for feminine nouns. Neki, some. Example, tamo stoji neki čovjek. Tamo stoji neki čovjek. Some man is standing over there. Some man is standing over there. Neki čovjek is some man. To je samo za neke ljude. To je samo za neke ljude. That is only for some people. if you can look at here, if we have neki, we use neki for when we're talking about masculine noun that's singular, and we use a neke when we're talking about masculine nouns but plural. And we use neka when we're talking about some but for feminine nouns. Example: Ovaj roman je napisala neka pametna žena. Ovaj roman je napisala neka pametna žena. This novel wrote some smart woman. Neka pametna žena, some smart woman. Let's look at the plural. Ove romane su napisale neke pametne žene. Again, ove romane su napisale neke pametne žene. These novels wrote some smart women. So feminine singular is neka, feminine plural neke. Koliki, how big, male. Jesi li vidio koliki je onaj poznati košarkaš? Jesi li vidio koliki je onaj poznati košarkaš? Have you seen how big or how tall is that famous basketball player? Jeste li vidjeli koliki su oni košarkaši? Jeste li vidjeli koliki su oni košarkaši? Have you seen how big are those basketball players? Basically, koliki je and koliki su, they pretty much sound the same, but basically when you're talking about singular noun, when you want to describe a singular noun, you would then use koliki je, and then when you're talking about plural, you would use koliki su. Kolika. Kolika, how big, for feminine nouns. Wow, kolika je ta torta. Wow, kolika je ta torta. Wow, how big is that cake? Kolika, torta. So kolika is matching the torta, noun of feminine noun. Plural is da li znate kolike su zgrade u centru Sarajeva? Da li znate kolike su zgrade u centru Sarajeva? Do you know how tall or how big are the buildings in Sarajevo? Kolika is referring to how big, but from feminine singular nouns. Kolike is referring for how big for feminine plural nouns. Mnogi, many for masculine nouns. Example: Nismo znali da mnogi ljudi preferiraju ćevape, a ne burek. Nismo znali da mnogi ljudi preferiraju ćevape, a ne burek. We didn't know that many people prefer ćevapi and not burek. A little tip. Many or mnogi has to be used with plural masculine nouns only, or nouns that are, or collective nouns that sound masculine, right? And you can never use them with like a many man, like many one man. That doesn't make sense even in English, so we can't use it like that. So when you're using many or mnogi in Bosnian language, you have to refer to them nouns that are masculine, but they have to be plural nouns. Okay, mnogi or many for feminine nouns. Example: Danas mnoge žene ne vole živjeti tradicionalnim načinom života. Danas mnoge žene ne vole živjeti tradicionalnim načinom života. Today, many women don't like to live traditional way of life. Mnoge žene, again, it has to be a plural. It can never be a singular, because we're talking about always about more than one woman. Čiji, čiji, whose, masculine nouns. Da li znaš čiji je to pas? Da li znaš čiji je to pas? Do you know whose dog is that? Da li znate čiji su to psi? Da li znate čiji su to psi? Do you know whose dogs are those? Again, čiji je is referring to one dog. Čiji su is when we're talking about more than one or plural. So čiji su to psi? Whose dogs are those? Okay. Whose feminine nouns? Da li znaš čija je to mačka? Da li znaš čija je to mačka? Do you know whose cat is that? Da li znate čije su to mačke? Da li znate čije su to mačke? Do you know whose cats are those? Čija je, whose, but we're talking about cats, so it's only one. Čija je. Čije su, we're talking about more than one. And we're talking about feminine noun. Today we'll learn about pronominal adjectives in Bosnian language. We'll specifically learn koji, which, svaki, each, neki, some, koliki, how big, mnogi, many, and the last one, čiji and whose. Thank you for learning how to speak Bosnian with us today. For more awesome videos, don't forget to like us, comment, and subscribe. And please visit our website, learnbosnian.club, for more information. Until next time, ciao!